This cocktail is really tasty, so you can try, guys. See, masterpiece, really beautiful. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and this week we'll be doing an Irish green candy. Here we got our Baileys, so we're adding 2 port Baileys. No, we're adding our Belvedere vodka, and it's 1 part vodka. Now we're adding our blue Caruso, so it's half shot blue Caruso. Adding some ice. Now we shake it up. Now we add some chocolate to the glass, making it fancy. Now we shake, and now we pour our Irish green candy into our martini glass. So this is really nice and yummy. If you're at home, you got Baileys there, you got blue Caruso, and your vodka, you can make this at home. And here we have our crushed M&Ms. So I will be using this for the garnish. It's gonna look really yummy, so you can try this cocktail at home. And here we go. We top in with our M&Ms. This cocktail is really tasty, so you can try, guys. See, masterpiece, really beautiful. And here we got our Irish green candy. Thank you so much for watching.